In front is taken by Mr. Lucas. It's Mr. Lucas, followed now by Silent Witness for the outside, Tony Quadra. Racing for this time Deposit, then followed by Daros Pride, while Batanga Sports is running in the tail of the field. Out straight they travel. Mr. Lucas moving up on the outside is Silent Witness. Silent Witness for the outside, running by the wheel Mr. Lucas. A length and a half to Tony Quarter. Down in fourth time Deposit. 3 lengths for the back to Daros Pride. Long way back to Batanga Sports. Down the half mile they travel. Silent Witness for the outside. Running by the wheel is Mr. Lucas. Coming close now in third, Tony Quarter. Racing fourth, but of 5 lengths now is Daros Pride. Around the outside is Time Deposit and Batanga Sports. Nearing the 400, it is still Mr. Lucas, Silent Witness. Here comes Tony Quarter now for the outside as they come up towards the home turn. Tony Quarter grabs the lead now by half a length, followed by Mr. Lucas. And threatening danger on the outside is Daros Pride. It's still Tony Quarter, Mr. Lucas, Daros Pride on the outside, Tony Quarter, Daros Pride on the outside. And finally, close one, Daros Pride, Tony Quarter, Mr. Lucas, Batanga Sports, Time Deposit, and Silent Witness.
At yun nga po, talagang dikit na dikit yung pagdating ng mga kabayong Tony Quarter and Datos Pride sa ating finish line. At nakikita natin, bumabalik, syempre, ang mas mababang numero dahil meron nga tayong photo for first. 1:30.6 ang tinapos para sa distansyang 1,400 meters with splits of 12.5, 24.5, 25.5, and finishing at 28. Ano sa palagay mo, Ibarra?
Lamang yung 4 sa 3, siyempre.
Pero una yung, laging una ang 3 sa 4.
Ganun lang yun eh, ganun lang yun eh.
At ito yung ating isocom shot. Tingnan natin, at this point of the race, maagang naglutyan, Silent Witness at Mr. Lucas. Unti-unting lumalapit naman itong si Tonic Water. Wala pa rito yung kapoto niyang si Datos Pride. Ayun na, si Datos Pride. Nakikita na natin sa ating screens as they turn for home. Nakuha na ni Tonic Water ang bandera from Mr. Lucas. Si Datos Pride, nandyan na rin. Makikita natin yan. Eto, lumagpas na si Tonic Water. Malakas ang remate nung kapoto niyang si Datos Pride. Eto na po. As they cross the finish line.
Oo, Ibarra, ano sa palagay mo?
Photo. Photo.